Hey everybody, it's Jerry Thompson again, and we're back. We're back. I know some of you asking me what happened to the show. Uh, Worthy of Wealth was off air for a while, but now we're back. I just had to do some stuff, but now we're back. I came back early because of what's happening right now. Of this pandemic is just causing a whole lot of problems. So we have health problems, and now we have financial problems. It's this presentation today is just going to be all about something that can help you out of this financial crisis. Okay? So, all right. So, unfortunately, I've been having a lot of calls lately. Um, I've had some clients who I've done work for analyzing their business, and they weren't able to pay me for my services because of the pandemic. They're not making any money, nothing is coming in, they have bills. So, of course, I'm not like beating them over the head over it, but so I decided, you know what, other people are hurting. I even had two close friends who were telling me one lost a job, even though she hopes it's just temporary, but she lost a job and doesn't know what to do. Another one, she's just home, and it's happening everywhere. So I decided I'm going to give you guys a solution that I think would be something that you can do. Okay, something that's feasible, that's relatively easy once you put some work into it. All right, a structured way for you to make some money during this season. So it's called MWR Financial. And if you have never heard this before, I want you to pay attention because, in my opinion, it's just what the doctor ordered to get you back on track. So, as a business analyst, I would talk to my clients about how to fix their credit, how to maximize their business, how to invest, how to apply for loans and different things like that. And that's great. There are times I would even give them the documentation to do it themselves so they can fix it themselves. But in this new environment now, people need help right away. So MWR Financial is just that, because we have a team of professionals that's going to do the work for you. As a member, you just have to make an appointment with them, and they will analyze your whole financial situation and advise you on which way to go. And we're going to go in detail in just a few. All right, so MW Financial, we sell a particular service that you need, you can use, and you can either use it as a client or use it as a business owner, meaning you can start a business offering your clients this service. It's pretty cool. All right, so your personal team of financial experts that use proven strategies to secure you and your family's financial future. That's exactly what it is. A team of experts that's there to help you. These are what we offer. We have our Money Max, and that has to do with fixing your credit, advising you on how to really put everything in order to have your your finances in check, like your taxes and your credit. And we have equity max. That has to do with reducing your debt. And then we have wealth max. So there's a misconception with financial services where we fix your finances and advise you. People think that is just for poor people or people without money or people without jobs. If you are low on funds, you need financial advice. If you're wealthy, you need financial advice. If you're in the middle, you need financial advice, because the very wealthy will tell you they usually don't make a decision without the advice of their financial advisors. It will be stupid because they have a lot to lose. All right. And those who have no money really need advice so that they can get money. Right. And those in between need advice so they can preserve what they have and make even more money. So everyone needs this. And what we're able to offer, and what you'll be able to offer if you become a business owner with us, is offering people a team of experts without the regular price that people pay out there, which is like $200 to $300 per hour. We have a low monthly fee, really low, that you can take advantage of. So I'm going to do something that is not usually done. I'm going to show you a little bit about how you get paid first before I describe what we offer. Okay? Because, again, because of what's happening right now, people want to know early, am I going to make any money with this thing or not? All right, before I go deep. So I'm going to tell you a small example of how much you're going to get paid first. All right, so that is this. It works on referrals. Just like if you work in insurance, you rely on referrals, right? And you get paid on commission and stuff like that. So it's not new. So you refer Jenny. You're in the business, you refer Jenny, and then you refer Lisa, and you refer John. And what that does, it gives you $5 per day. Later on, you'll realize that you're paid daily. You're paid every day. But when you refer 3 people and you have 1 additional customer, you get paid $150 a month. Now, $150 a month is actually more than the cost of the membership. All right, I haven't told you what the membership is yet, but $150 is actually more. So which means after you refer 3 people, you have already paid for your membership. So you no longer have a monthly fee. All right. Then we have another way you can get paid. Well, I'll tell you more of how much you get paid. So I've already told you about you get 3 people, you get $5 and $150 a month. But because some of you like to work hard, you see the vision, you go-getter, and you just go out there, you get 12 people, okay? That means you now qualify for $20 per day. And that gives you $600 per month, all right? It's not life-changing, but it's not bad either. That's a car note or a family cell phone a bill account, who knows? But that's kind of nice. You went out there, you got 12 people. But then you have to help now those 12 people get 5 people. So we realized that you went out there, you got 12 people, but not everyone else is like you, right? Not everyone can just go and get people like that. So we try to make it like really down to earth. I'm gonna assume those people got 5. It would be nice if they got 12, and they can, but let's just say they got 5. And then those 5 people They're not as good as you are, not as good as the people who got 5. They went on and they got 3. Okay? Again, they can get as many as they want, but let's say they got 3. And then they got 2. So now you end up with 612 people in your team. And what that does, it gives you a daily payment of $200. And that's $6,000 per month. Okay? So this is really conservative. You got 12, those 12 got 5, that 5 got 3, and that 3 got 2. Now, so you have $6. That's life-changing, right? That's pretty life-changing. But then we said, okay, you've worked hard, you got 612 people. You got $6,000. Why not give you more? Why not give you a bonus to reward you for all your work? So with that, you qualify for our presidential bonus of $2,500. So you got the $6,000 because you worked hard, and now we give you another $2,500. So now $8,500. That is life-changing. Just for referring 12 people, and they did the rest. You don't have to get all 612. They did the rest, and you have 612 on your team. 8,500 is 102,000 per year. All right. So, what are we offering for you to get all that money? What are we offering? So the membership is called the Financial Edge, the MWR Financial Edge membership. And again, our team of professionals and experts will be the ones helping you or doing the work. So we have the Money Max, where our CPAs, our CFPs, our EAs, they're going to actually help you reduce your taxes. If you have a job right now, some of you don't because of what's happening. But if you still have a job, that means you have a W-2. Okay? That means you're an employee and you are taxed a lot, sometimes 40%. Okay? That means you gave your boss a W-4, which tells the IRS that, you're going to take out, let's say, $300 every month for taxes. Our team of professionals now will take that W-4 and adjust it again so you take home more money and you pay less taxes. Okay? You might be wondering, well, if I pay less taxes, am I going to be in trouble with the IRS? No, you're not. This is a regular tax form, right? And I have done taxes for others, and this is just a typical tax form. If you look at this line, it says refund, and some of you get excited about a refund. A refund only means that you pay too much. You didn't get extra money. It means that you paid too much. And they even wrote that on the form. It says, this is the amount you overpaid. This is on the tax form. It's right there. And people don't see that. So the IRS knows that you overpay, and they advise that you don't. But they're glad you overpaid, because what they do is they invest the money that you overpay. They make interest on it. And then at the end of the year, so they have all year long to make interest on the money you overpay. And then at the end of the year, they give it back to you. Say, we made money, now we're going to give back your money without the interest. Thanks a lot. So our team of professionals, they know exactly what to do. They will make sure you just pay the right amount of taxes. You have to pay taxes, that's fine, but you don't have to overpay. All right. So then we have credit max. Credit restoration is key because if you have bad credit, you're paying too much. All right. For regular goods and services, once your credit score is low, they will charge you more because you're more of a risk. And our professionals will go in there and help you now raise your score. Right. So now it can reduce how much you pay for stuff. One strategy, and there are many, that they will help you with is using your rent to be reflected on your credit score. A lot of people don't know that you can do that. I mean, paying rent is like living in a house on terms. You buy a house, you pay a mortgage. Well, why not if you rent a house, and why can't that rent go towards your score? So that is being done, and our professionals will do that on your behalf. Your identity is important, should be protected at all times. There are people who are trying to be you, right? They will steal your name, your identification. They can even steal your taxes because they are now you. So our professionals will go in there and help fix that as well. You don't have to do it yourself. All right. So again, this is the pandemic version of the presentation. So I put here, if you know someone who has lost their job during the pandemic, let them know about this. They need it right away. If you are in a position to help them, to donate a membership, please do. You know, a lot of people are hurting right about now. So if you're in a position to help, please help. But at least share this with them. All right, so this is an example of an increase of your credit score. Then we have equity max. So we're going to reduce your debt, because when you have debt, you're paying interest on that debt. The longer you have it, the more interest you pay. Okay, so we have ways of reducing that debt. You may not have to pay more. You're just using the same income, the same budget, but we can help you pay off your debts faster. For example, let's say you have a debt of $209,000, and your monthly expenses will be about $3,000 a month. It's going to take you 29 years to pay that off. Our professionals can go in there and help you pay it off in 7 years. Right? That reduces the interest from 230,000 interest to 73,000. That's significant. Even if you have a mortgage, you can pay off your mortgage in 7 years instead of 30 years. All professionals will help you with that. And now, for those who have wealth, we can show you how to manage your wealth, where to invest it in, real estate, or something called self-banking. All right, self-banking in a nutshell, I'm not going to go into detail with it, but it's when you have your money being invested. Let's say you have this amount of investment, then the market goes up, so you're getting more money. But sometimes the market can go down and your money also goes down. Okay, with self-banking, it stays there when the market goes down, and when it goes back up again, it goes up with the market, so you don't lose any money. It's really complicated, but our professionals will do that for you. You don't have to think about it. And this is an example of how much you can save. So reduce your taxes, you get an extra 300, 600 plus per month to use towards debt. You fix your credit. That allows you to pay less for your goods and services, 300 plus. You eliminate your debt, you have another 3,000 plus. You can use that to invest. You invested at 3, 6, or 12%, 10 years or more, you can have millions. Our tax professionals, our CPAs will help you with that. Okay, so how much does this cost? So I told you before, it's less than the $150 you'll be making anyway. So we have 2 products. Let's say you don't want to be in business, you just want to get the expert advice, you want them to fix your finances, you just want to be a client. That's $79.97 per month for both you and your spouse. Okay, not each, just $79.97, and that's for 2 people. Okay, plus we even go further where if you refer 3 people, you get it for free. You don't have to pay that per month anymore because you just referred 3 people to us, 3 customers. You're not going to make any extra money, but at least you got it for free and they're going to work on your finances. All right. But then we have those who want to actually run a business doing this and make extra money. Right. For those people, all you do is you have your membership, you have your business account, and you have the opportunity now to make and to generate income. As I said, we pay daily, and what happens is the first people you get $40, then you get $40 on the second, and on the third you get $40, and that pays for your membership. I haven't told you what the membership is yet, but this pays for your, so you get 3 people and it's free as well. Then you get $10 per month, $10 per month, and per person that you refer. So that's more income because you are now a business owner. Okay. You would realize soon enough that we like to give bonuses. Okay, you're going to see that everywhere because we have something called the momentum bonus. So if you decide to become a business owner, all right, you'll be called a financial director. If you get 3 people in 30 days, you get a bonus of $150. Just because you worked fast, in 30 days you got 3 people. Okay, it shows that you are focused, you're serious about this. You get $150. Again, takes care of your membership, which is less than $150. But then you said, okay, I can do more. You went out there and you got each of those 3 people, you help them to get 3 people of their own. We give you $450. Okay, this is addition to what other income you made. These are bonuses. Then you help those 3 people get 3 people of their own, and for that we give you $900. So now you have 900, 450, and 150. So now you just got $1,500 because you worked fast. In 3 months, you're able to make an additional $1,500. Okay. Again, we like to reward. So just to recap a little bit, you got your first 3 people. We give you $150 per month, as long as they remain in the program, of course. It's paid daily, but it's $150 a month. And because you like to work fast and you get 12 people, okay, that's $20 per day, $600 per month. You help them get 5, and then they get 3, and they get 2. That's 612 people. That leaves you with $200 per day, $6,000 per month, because you have 612 people. There's no time frame to get this. Is whenever you get your 612 people, this is what you get. Again, this is just an example. You can be anywhere on that scale. And because you did so well, we reward you with a presidential bonus of $2,500. That leaves you with $102,000 per year, $8,500 per month. So you've seen this slide before, but I left one thing out the first time because, again, we like to give bonuses. So you got 12, you help them get 5, you help them get 3, and help those 3 get 2. You got 612 people under you. You didn't get all 612 yourself, but they're under you. You got the 6,000, then we gave you another bonus of 2,005, and we said we're going to give you one more bonus, and that is $3,000 per month that will go towards a luxury vehicle or the home of your choice or both. So you get an additional $3,000 above the 8,500. Now, if that's not reason enough to get involved right away, I don't know what is. Okay? And again, we like to be very realistic and down to earth. Some people will not be able to do 12, so we have another strategy to get there. It might take a little longer. It's called the power of 3. So you just go out there, you got 3 people, and then those people got 3 people, and then those people got 3 people. That's 27, and those people got 3, and you still get the same amount. It just takes a little longer, right? And eventually you're making $1,000 per day, which is $30,000 per month. So it's the same thing. It's just taking a little longer because not everyone's the same. So we try to be as realistic as possible, not to give you like wild expectations, all right? But you can go at your own pace. So these are the bonuses for your luxury vehicle or your luxury house or both. An extra $3,000 because you worked hard. So we call this the perfect business because it's something that everyone needs, whether you have money, you don't have money, you're in the middle, you need it anyway. It practically sells itself. Okay. We don't sell like lotions and potions and pills that you have to keep in your basement and hope people buy it. This is a service. Okay, you sign up, you go in your back office, you make an appointment with your advisor, your financial advisor, and they will help you fix your finances or improve your finances. That's it. That's it. Something everyone needs. So we give you everything you need to succeed. Now, the cost to be a business owner. So I told you before, the cost to be a client is $79.97 per month. If you get 3, it's free. The cost of a business owner, one-time fee of $99 for $40 per month, and you get all the benefits, all the levels, and you also have the membership, all right, with all the services to eliminate your debt, analyze your wealth, fix your credit, everything. And that is $79.97 per month. So to start as a business owner, you're paying $228.97. Now that includes your first month because you're paying $119.97 per month. So the first 22 228 includes the first month. Okay. And the nice thing about it is that again, you get the first three, that's $150. That's even more than $119. Let's say 120. So it works out free. Can't beat free. So we're giving you a pay raise. Your membership is $120, but you're making $150 on your first three. Again, if you know someone who's lost their job and they need this, share it with them. If you're in a position to sponsor them because they may not have the membership, feel free to do that. Now, just as we about to end, as a business owner, so this is an extra benefit of being a business owner. As an employee, you pay like 40% in taxes, right? As a business owner, you pay less. Okay, you pay less taxes because you're a business owner. That's how the tax laws were made. Now, our experts will tell you how that's done. So, as a home-based business, there's something called the tax code publication 535. It allows you to deduct expenses pertaining to the business from your taxes, bringing your tax liability down to 15%, 20%. That's way different from being an employee. However, for it to be legal and for you to get the tax deductions, you have to have at least a home-based business, which is what this is. The intent of the business must be to generate a profit. I don't think you want to do anything otherwise. You have to be actively involved in your business, which means going out there to get clients like any other business. And you have to keep proper records. So we have an app that allows you to keep accurate records of all your expenses. So in case you get audited, you have that to show. Then you have to claim expenses that are ordinary and necessary. Those are the rules from the IRS. You can only claim expenses that are ordinary and necessary. What is that? What does that mean? So if I'm going out to eat with my family, we're going to, I don't know, we're going to Chuck E. Cheese's with kids. That's not a business write-off because you're just going to have fun with your kids. But if you're going to, let's say, Applebee's or Olive Garden with a bunch of people that you're going to share the business with, now that's a business lunch or a business dinner. That is ordinary and a necessary business expense that you can write off. All right. Other examples would be mileage deduction, cell phone, internet. You need that for your business. Business meals, a business trip, gas, a plane ticket, insurance. You can even hire your kids, and deduct that from your taxes. If your kids are between 7 and 17, you can deduct them, whatever you pay them, from your business expenses. We also give you a free tool. It's called My Instant Pay Rise, payraise.com. It allows you to look and see what you can possibly deduct and see how much you end up with, so you have an idea of how much extra you're going to be taking home because you now have a home-based business. So again, it's 300 to 600 plus per month. You're going to save on that, and that's more than the membership. And on top of that, we give you a guarantee. So if you follow our plan of action and our strategies, and experts are not able to save or make you more money in your first 30 days, you get a full refund. So you can't lose. All right. If you follow the plan and our experts are not able to make you extra money, you got a refund. And that's it. That's it. Go to our website, mwrfinance.com, and put your name in there. It'll be free. You get more information on what I just talked about. You get access to ask additional questions or to sign up. But right now, this is the best solution to fix your finances or to make extra money. If you know someone who's going through a hard time, share this with them. And if you can sponsor them, fine, please do. We're all in this together, and we're all trying to help as many people as possible. All right. So that's it. Feel free to reach out. Any questions? You know where to find me. Feel free. All right, that's our show for today. Stay well. And as usual, I'm here to help you say, wow. See you next time.